In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a saved email template into a transactional template in Mailchimp. If you've built a marketing email you love and want to reuse its layout for automated one-to-one messages, like order confirmations, password resets, or shipping updates, this quick process will help you repurpose it for Mailchimp Transactional, also known as Mandrill. We'll keep it simple and clear so you know exactly what to expect at each step. First, head to Email Templates in the top menu. This is your central hub for all reusable designs in your account. Once you're there, look for the section labeled Saved Templates. This is where you'll find the templates you or your team have already created and saved for future use. You might see something like Sample Template, Newsletter, or a Product Campaign Layout. Any of those can be converted, as long as they're saved and visible in this list. Next, find the specific template you want to convert. When you've located it in Saved Templates, look to the right of its name for a small drop-down arrow. Click that drop-down arrow to open the available actions for that template. Among the options, select Convert to Transactional. This tells Mailchimp you want to take this design and make it available for use with Mailchimp Transactional, where it can be triggered programmatically through your app or website. At this point, a pop-up will appear explaining what the conversion means. Take a moment to review the message so you understand that you're creating a transactional-ready version of the template. When you're ready, click Confirm. Mailchimp will process the conversion, which typically happens quickly. Once confirmed, the template is now available as a transactional template for use with Mailchimp Transactional, also known as Mandrill. That means your developers or automation workflows can call this template through the transactional service and dynamically populate it with real-time data, such as order numbers or shipping details. As a best practice, keep template names clear and descriptive so they're easy to find later, especially if you manage many versions. It can also help to maintain consistent branding and structure between your marketing and transactional templates so your audience has a cohesive experience. And that's it. You went from a saved marketing template to a transactional-ready version with just a few clicks, all within the email templates area. This simple conversion keeps your design work reusable and your communications consistent across both campaigns and automated messages.